start.
So, good morning. Here I present you to Fabulous Gadget. We have made this project on agricultural field. When we see India is an agrarian country, more than 36% of GDP comes from agricultural field. So we have chosen this field. Major problems faced by farmers is death due to snake bite, and the other one is crop destruction. So let me show you one thing. So we have this farmer's retractable stick. When we take a look, more than 1,20,000 deaths occurred throughout the world because of snake bites, and India nearly contributes to 58,000 deaths. So we have made this stick. We know that snakes cannot hear sound but can surely feel the vibration. So this stick, we have attached a small vibrator here and a LED light which is powered by a 9-volt battery. When the vibrator is turned on, it vibrates and the nearby passing snake will be avoided. The light will help farmers to navigate their path in the night. Also, this stick is retractable. This is the best interesting feature of this stick.
It is adjustable.
Yes, this stick is adjustable.
आपण याला सोलार पॅनल वगैरे यूज करू शकतो लाईटसाठी.
So, as you can see, it can be adjusted according to the height of the person. So even adults and youngers can use this. So this is the best interesting feature of this stick. And on the other side, we have this extra compartment. We can keep some tools like blade, screwdriver here, and we can carry this. If we don't want, we can just detach it, and it can be one-handy also. On the other hand, we have some first aid kits. We can also, as you saw, I removed this stick from my bag. So it is retractable because of this function. Even trekkers can use this stick while carrying in their bag. They can use this stick as a support and also to repel snakes. So let's move on our next gadget, the moving scarecrows. The main reason to build moving scarecrow is when we see India, humans have been practicing agriculture from ancient times, and they have been building scarecrows. But nowadays, birds and animals are also used to that steady scarecrows. So we have made this moving scarecrows. This scarecrow is based on an electrical pendulum principle. You can see the schematic here. The electrical energy passes through many capacitor, resistors and transistors, which will help the copper coil to create a magnetic field. This magnetic field rotates the magnet true and full. Because we have the same here, we have attached a small magnet here and copper coil is attached upwards. When the power is given, the hands of the scarecrow will rotate, and birds will see this scarecrow as a human and they will go far away. If we don't have this solar or electric energy, we can use this scarecrow, which is based on a mechanical simple principle. We have two magnets here which are attached such that the like poles repels each other, and we have attached two spring at the down. When the magnets repels, it creates a force, and this force pushes the scarecrow backwards, and the spring helps the scarecrow to bring to its original position. We can adjust this magnet according to the vicinity of the other magnetic pole. So this magnetic effect will remain continuous until the magnet is removed. On the other hand, we have this bird reflector. This will rotate with the air. When we see, it rotates because of the airflow. When sunlight will fall on these mirrors, it will reflect, and the reflection will go on the bird's eye and they will get scared. We can't afford taking these scarecrows on every point of the farm, if we have a big acres field. So we can use this to scare birds, and birds are scared of rays, and these mirrors are adjusted such that more reflection will get consumed. Thank you.